Dear students, today I am going to start theorem 8.3 from chapter 8. The statement of the theorem 8.3 is, if each pair of opposite sides of quadrilateral is equal, then it is a parallelogram. We are given a quadrilateral A, B, C, D and its opposite sides are equal. So, given A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral in which AB is equal to CD, means this side AB is equal to CD and side BC is equal to DA, and with AC as its diagonal. AC is the diagonal of quadrilateral ABCD. Now we have to prove that it is a parallelogram. So we will take these two triangles, that is triangle ABC and CDA. So let's start the proof. In triangle ABC and triangle CDA. Now in these two triangles already we are given AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to DA. These two pair of side is given equal. So next AC is equal to CA. This third side AC is common to both. So we will write AC is equal to CA. Then therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA by SSS rule or congruency criteria. So in these two triangles, all the three sides of one triangle is equal to all the three sides of other triangle. So now if both these triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts are also equal. So we can say angle BAC is equal to angle BCA, and also angle BCA, that is angle BCA. This angle BCA is equal to angle DAC. Now by CPCT, these two pair of angles are equal by CPCT. Now we have to prove that this quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. So we will write for lines AB and CD, for these two sides of quadrilateral AB and CD, with transversal. Now these two pair of angle are equal, but we have to still prove that it is a parallelogram. So for lines AB and CD, AC is the transversal and angle, already we have proved that angle BAC is equal to angle DCA. These are alternate angles and we have proved that they are equal also. It means for two lines with transversal AC, BAC angle is equal to angle DCA, which are alternate angles and are equal as we have proved above. Therefore AB is parallel to CD. Now one pair of sides are parallel, that is AB is parallel to CD. Similarly for lines, we will take another two sides, that is BC and DA. So for lines BC and AD, again with transversal AC, we have already proved that angle BCA is equal to angle DAC. Now they are also alternate angles and are equal as we have proved above. Now If alternate angles are equal, it means the corresponding sides are parallel. So therefore AD is parallel to BC. Now it means AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. Therefore both pair of opposite sides are parallel. They are given equal in the question, but now they are parallel also. So ABCD is a parallelogram. So hence proved. Theorem 8.4, the statement of theorem is, in a parallelogram, already we are given a parallelogram in which opposite angles are equal. We have to prove that opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So given ABCD is a parallelogram, ABCD is a parallelogram with AC as its diagonal. AC is the diagonal of parallelogram ABCD. We have to prove opposite angles are equal. So what are the opposite angles? Angle A and angle C. Similarly, angle B and angle D. We have to prove that angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. Now let's start the proof. We are given that it is a parallelogram. If it is a parallelogram, then its opposite sides are parallel. So we will start our proof from here that ABCD is a parallelogram. So its opposite sides are parallel. So its opposite sides are parallel. If the opposite sides of parallelogram are parallel, so we will write AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. AB side is parallel to DC. Similarly, BC is parallel to AD. Now, if both the pair of sides are parallel, as ABCD is a parallelogram, so we will write AB is parallel to DC and AC is transversal. So if AC is transversal and AB is parallel to DC, so we can say angle 4 is equal to angle 3. Pair of alternate angles. Similarly, for AD is parallel to BC, we will write, and AC is the transversal. So we will write angle 1 is equal to angle 2. These are also alternate angles. Now we will give this equation angle 4 is equal to angle 3 as 1 and angle 1 is equal to angle 2 as 2. So adding 1 and 2 we get. Then we will add these two equations 1 and 2, we will get angle 4 plus angle 1 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. Now angle 1 plus 4 is equal to angle CA and 2 plus 3 is equal to angle C. It means one pair of opposite angles are proved equal. So angle A is equal to angle C. Now we can similarly prove angle B is equal to angle D. So it means therefore angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D, means opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Hence proved. So in the next video we will start the next theorem.